Hello, I'm Marlo Clowers, Program Manager in GDOT's Office of Alternative Delivery. Thank you for joining the Industry Forum for the State Route 316 Bundle 3 Design Build Project. PI numbers 0013902 and 0013903. We look forward to providing you with information about this bundle of two proposed design build projects on State Route 316 in Barrow County, Georgia. The two PI numbers have been packaged as a bundle for procurement, final design, and construction. Now let's get started. During this industry forum, GDOT will provide information about the project's delivery goals, anticipated scope, anticipated design build procurement process, and potential risks. This is a recorded presentation. Any information provided by the department shall be considered as informational only and is subject to change. Be sure to review the procurement documents for the most current information. Today, I will provide an overview of the design build program at GDOT. Kathy Ahmed, the P3 project manager, will then provide an overview of the project scope and details about roles and responsibilities of the project team. Lastly, Karen Oakes, the P3 Procurement Program Manager, will wrap things up by providing information regarding the project's procurement schedule and process. Now, I will provide an overview of GDOT's Design Build program. The Design Build Delivery method combines pre-construction related activities and construction services into one contract. This allows contractors to participate in the project's design, which improves communications, expedites project delivery, and reduces costs. The Design Build program is governed in Georgia by 23 Code of Federal Regulations, Part 636, Georgia Code Section 32-2-81, and Georgia Rules and Regulations, Chapter 672-18. There are several upcoming design build projects to make note of, which can be seen on this slide. More information about each of them can be found on GDOT's Design Build webpage, which is listed at the bottom of the slide. Please keep in mind that dates are subject to change. Now I'd like to pass the presentation on to Kathy Ahmed, who will speak on the specifics of the two design build projects. Kathy?
Thanks, Marlo. Hi, I'm Kathy Ahmed, the P3 project manager. Over the next few slides, I will discuss the project's scope, roles, and responsibilities, and some of the potential risks to GDOT and the design builder. State Route 316 is a vital east-west thoroughfare within the state of Georgia. The proposed State Route 316 Bundle 3 Design Build project is composed of two PI numbers, 0013902 and 0013903. Which will remove two existing at-grade intersections and convert them to a new grade-separated interchange and a new grade-separated or overpass bridge. The proposed improvements will offer several benefits to the State Route 316 corridor, including congestion relief and improved traffic flow by eliminating the at-grade intersections. This will reduce the number of vehicle conflict points, therefore potentially reducing the number and severity of crashes at the intersections. Cul-de-sacs will also be constructed at select locations to reroute traffic. As mentioned, the two PI numbers have been packaged as a bundle single contract for procurement for final design and construction. Procurement activities started with the release of the public notice of the advertisement on April 26, 2024. And construction is anticipated to start in 2025. The State Route 316 Bundle 3 Design Build project is also part of a larger State Route 316 corridor improvement that GDOT is undertaking. The current design concept for PI number 0013902 is shown on your screen and can be found on the project website under the Resources section. This project proposes to construct a new grade-separated interchange at the intersection of State Route 316 and Kilcrease Road. The project will also remove the existing at-grade intersection at State Route 316 and Kilcrease Road, construct a grade-separated interchange, and shift Duncan Lane to intersect with Kilcrease Road on the west side of the existing Barrow Industrial Parkway in a proposed roundabout intersection. This will require Duncan Lane to be realigned for approximately 1,500 feet. Here is the current design concept for PI number 0013903, which can be found on the project website under the Resources section. This project proposes to construct a new grade separation with Carl Bethlehem Road over the State Route 316. Additional proposed improvements include removal of the existing at-grade intersection at Carl Bethlehem Road, realignment of Chansey Circle and Parkway Point Boulevard to form a new roundabout intersection with Carl Bethlehem Road, and construction of a new T intersection along Carl Bethlehem Road at Omer Church Road. The design builder's roles and responsibilities include design and construction schedule development and management, maintenance of traffic control and construction signage, permit and mitigation costs, utility coordination, stakeholder coordination as needed, and completion of the project with a specified timeline as defined in the RFP. GDOT's roles and responsibilities include reviewing the design builder submittals, which will be performed by GDOT and the GEC, reviewing and approving the environmental studies and any NEPA reevaluations with the assistance of the GEC, managing media relations with assistance from the design builder. The Office of Materials and Testing will provide material testing, and CEI will be performed by the GEC for GDOT's Office of Alternative Delivery. The CEI consultant may not be an engineer of record or prime consultant on any design builder team. We have a few risks and mitigation strategies, which include environmental, utilities, right-of-way, and ZEDV risks, which are all noted on this slide. We are anticipating the NEPA document, which is a categorical exclusion, to be approved by Q3 of 2024, and a reevaluation is anticipated during post-lat. Additional potential risks can be seen here, which include geotechnical, local outreach coordination with the stakeholders, cost estimating, and the overall contract duration. Now I'd like to pass the presentation over to Karen Oakes to discuss the project's procurement. Karen?
Thank you, Kathy. I'm Karen Oakes, the P3 Procurement Program Manager. Over the next few slides, I'll share information regarding the project's procurement schedule and process. This project will be procured using a two-phase best value selection method, which includes a stipulated fee. All technical proposals will be reviewed on a pass or fail basis, then evaluated by a technical review committee. The price proposals should be developed based on the advertised RFP. The apparent successful proposer shall be the responsive, shortlisted proposer who submits the highest best value score for the project. The best value score is comprised of the weighted technical proposal score and the weighted price proposal score as set forth in the advertised RFP. This slide shows our tentative procurement schedule for the project. This virtual industry forum will be published on May 23rd, 2024. One-on-one meetings will be also held on May 23rd and May 24th, 2024. We intend to advertise the RFQ on June the 12th, 2024, with SOQs due on July the 11th, 2024. Finalists are expected to be informed on August the 6th, 2024, and the RFP will be advertised on August the 9th, 2024. Proposals are due on November the 21st, 2024. GDOT intends to let the project in December of 2024. It should be noted that all dates are subject to change. The only anticipated area class requirement for the lead design consultant is Area Class 3.05, Urban Interstate Highway Design. The design builder will also need to be pre-qualified in the area classes shown on your screen. And now, I give you an overview of the RFQ process. SOQs will be reviewed for responsiveness and then evaluated by a technical review committee. Proposers who are deemed responsive and or shortlisted may submit a proposal package in response to the advertised RFP in accordance with the criteria included in the design build manual. The following key personnel will be required for this project. They include a lead contractor project manager, a lead design consultant project manager, an engineer of record, a construction manager, and a quality control manager. The engineer of record may also be the same as the lead design consultant project manager. Note that they both must be registered PEs in Georgia. The requirements for these positions are similar to previous two-phase procurements. Qualified personnel must demonstrate a minimum threshold of relevant experience in order to be eligible. Proposers will be evaluated based on several factors, including evaluating the key personnel identified on the previous slide, the lead contractor and lead design consultant firms, and projects delivered of similar size, scope, and or complexity completed by the lead contractor and lead design consultant firms, respectively. Another factor that will be considered is the apparent suitability to provide services for the project. The next 3 slides go through the required information in the RFQ phase, which includes lead contractor / lead design consultants basic company information, the lead contractor's certificate of qualifications, the lead design consultant and sub-consultants notice of professional consultant qualifications, the submission of a matrix listing that identifies the qualifications of the proposer's team in the GDOT pre-qualified area classes, and certification forms for required exhibits. Additional required information includes statements of disclosure regarding any conflicts of interest, organizational chart and narrative, letters regarding financial capacity of the respondent, the lead contractor, the lead design consultant, and each major subcontractor and major subconsultant, and the signed certificate and acknowledgement form. Lastly, the RFQ requirements include an industrial safety record, experience and qualifications for key personnel, including 10 years of industry experience for each key personnel position. Also include at least 3 years of experience in the same or similar role for projects of similar size and complexity as this project. Experience and qualifications for lead contractor, including at least 3 construction projects delivered using alternative delivery and or design bid build projects, which collectively demonstrates similar size, function, complexity, and scope of the project. Project understanding and alternative delivery approach. And finally, the experience and qualifications for lead design consultant, including at least 3 design projects delivered using alternative delivery and or design bid build contracting that demonstrates similar size, function, complexity, and scope of the project. Now I'd like to give you an overview of the RFP process. As a reminder, this is a 2-phase best value procurement. The RFP, issued to shortlisted proposers, will have multiple volumes including instructions to proposers, design build agreement, and technical provisions. We encourage proposal feedback through one-on-one meetings as well as participation in the question and response process during the RFP phase. Proposal packages will include an administrative information submittal, a technical proposal, and a price proposal with a firm fixed price secured by a proposal bond. ATCs will be accepted. GDOT plans to provide a stipulated fee to responsive proposers not selected for award. As mentioned on the previous slide, ATCs will be accepted for this project. Confidentiality will be maintained throughout the RFP process. One-on-one meetings will be held, and accepted ATCs will be approved on a proposal-specific basis. This 2-phase best value procurement includes a stipulated fee. The stipulated fee for this procurement is $250,000. In exchange for a stipulated fee, proposers must turn over all project-related information collected and prepared during the preparation and submission of the price and technical proposals, including but not limited to approved ATCs, revised plan layouts, geotechnical data, CAD files, detailed project schedule, and record of correspondence with agencies. This information will be provided to the awarded design builder. GDOT would also have the ability to negotiate approved ATCs from unsuccessful proposers into the awarded design builder's contract to attain additional value or cost savings for the department. A recap of the tentative procurement schedule is shown on this slide for your review. Please note that all dates are subject to change. The technical proposal is worth 300 points and the price proposal is worth $700 for a total of 1,000 total points possible as part of this best value procurement. The 300 points within the technical proposal will be scored based on project phasing and completion of major milestones, stakeholder coordination, and construction staging and traffic management. I'd like to close this presentation by expressing our gratitude for our continued partnership with the industry, and we look forward to working with you on this important project. If there are any questions, please send them to sr316-bundle3@dot.ga.gov, or you can visit GDOT's Design Build webpage or Public Design Build SharePoint site listed on the screen. Again, thank you for joining us and have a great day.